Imagine having an extra hour every day. How about saving money while still enjoying delicious, healthy meals? That's the power of meal prepping. It's not just about cooking in bulk. It's an investment in your health and time. It allows you to control what goes into your meals, ensuring you follow your dietary goals. Meal prepping takes the guesswork out of your daily diet. It eliminates the need for impromptu, unhealthy takeouts and last-minute grocery runs. You get to decide what's on the menu, making it easier to manage portion sizes and stick to your diet plan. Moreover, meal prepping is a boon for your wallet. By planning and preparing meals ahead, you can take advantage of bulk buying and seasonal produce, which can significantly cut down your grocery bills. With meal prepping, not only do you ensure a healthier diet, but you also gain more control over your time and budget. To embark on this meal prep journey, you'll need a few essentials. The right tools can make the difference between a seamless meal prep experience and one that feels like a chore. Let's start with meal prep containers. You'll want to choose containers that are microwave, dishwasher, and freezer friendly. Glass containers are an excellent choice. They're durable and often come with airtight lids, keeping your meals fresh and ready to go. Now let's talk about your kitchen arsenal. A large skillet is a must for sautéing vegetables and searing proteins. A high-quality chef's knife will make quick work of chopping and slicing. A giant cutting board gives you plenty of space to work, while a hefty stock pot is perfect for broths and stews. And don't forget a big sheet or roasting pan for oven-roasted dishes. With these tools, you're now set to start your meal prepping journey. Before starting your meal prep, it's important to plan and prepare. Think of it as a strategy game. You're the mastermind behind your meals. Start with deciding what you're going to make, jotting down the ingredients, and setting aside a day for meal prep. A great tip is to read through your recipes before you begin. This way you can prep your ingredients in advance and save time during the actual cooking. Remember, consistency is key here. The more you practice, the better you'll get at it. Now let's talk about food safety. Once you've portioned your meals into containers, let them cool before sealing. This helps to prevent bacterial growth. And remember, it's best to prep for 3 to 5 days at a time to keep your meals fresh and tasty. For more detailed food safety tips, head over to foodsafety.gov. With these guidelines and safety tips, you're well on your way to becoming a meal prep master. Let's talk about preserving your meals properly and safely reheating them. When it comes to freezing, you want to make sure your meals are wrapped up tight to avoid any freezer burn. This not only keeps your meals tasting fresh, but also ensures that they retain their nutritional value. And remember to keep your freezer at 0 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, when it's time to reheat your meal, the microwave is your go-to. To ensure even heating, reheat your meals in 1-minute intervals, giving them a good stir in between each minute. For those meals you've frozen, you'll want to defrost them in the fridge a day or two before you plan to eat them. This helps to maintain the quality of the food and ensures a more even reheating process. So there you have it. Now you're equipped with the knowledge to freeze and reheat your meals safely. Remember, mastering meal prep takes time and practice, but it's worth it. It's natural to hit a few bumps along the way. Maybe your first few meals won't be as tasty as you'd like, or perhaps you'll struggle with portion sizes. But don't get discouraged. Persistence and patience pay off. After all, it's not just about the meals you prepare, it's about the commitment you make to a healthier lifestyle and the discipline you develop along the way. Imagine the satisfaction of knowing exactly what goes into your meals, saving money, and freeing up time for things you love. And when you got it down, the possibilities are endless. Try new recipes, mix up your menu, and turn this into an exciting culinary journey. So, go ahead, take that first step, embrace the art of meal prepping, and let's make this year a healthier one together. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with our latest tips and healthy recipes. See you soon.